Hey guys, welcome to Expertizer Academy's Tinkercad Fundamentals tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Tinkercad and who is it for and what we can accomplish with this one. Some are really cool things that we can do it. And at the same time, we will also see the potential of learning Tinkercad and what we could accomplish. And I'm Raghulan Gauthaman. I'm your trainer for today. And if you look at my experience, I have past 15 years working with Autodesk products. I worked with AutoCAD, started with AutoCAD, then went on to Revit. I did some work around Map 3D, Inventor, and Civil 3D. I've spent most of my time. I built country kit for Australia and New Zealand. I wrote plenty of documentation for Civil 3D kind of stuff. And then I worked with Map Guide, QGIS, and I worked with a little bit of open roads, Bentley products such as MicroStation and SketchUp, Blender, you name it. Plenty of these applications I worked in the past, and not just on the design drafting side. I was a professional trainer and a consultant, and so I built a lot of applications such as plugins for these applications, talk to each other and integrating APIs. I've done a lot of these things. So I enjoy doing this, and let's get started with this course. And this is going to be really useful, and doesn't matter if you're a kid or an adult, and Tinkercad is free, and you don't need to have any fancy hardware. It works with sort of minimum configuration hardware, and you just need a browser. So if you got Chrome, you can get started. Okay, let's get started with Tinkercad and let's have some fun.